Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I get this soft daytime look. It's really easy to do and it's very wearable for just about anywhere. So yeah, let's get started. So first, I already have my face moisturized, my lips moisturized, and I've also put Mirabella face primer on my face. I'm going to go ahead and take my Maybelline FitMe Matte and Poreless foundation with this Real Techniques face brush, and I'm going to pat this all over my face and also on my eyelids. So next I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in 25, and I'm going to put this in all the areas that I want to highlight. So that's the bridge of my nose, in the inner corner of my eyes, and uh, fanning out as a V shape underneath my eyes, as well as little dark spots on my cheeks and on my chin. I'm going to highlight my chin. So I'm just going to use that same Real Techniques face brush, and I'm pretty much just buffing this in. And I like to use soft patting motions to push this product into the skin, just so that it doesn't streak or anything. So yeah, and next I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade 20, and I'm taking this Real Techniques fluffy face brush, and I'm gonna just set the foundation and concealer all over my face. Just make sure to use a very light hand with this. A little does a really good job, so you don't need a lot. And you could just use any face powder. It doesn't have to be loose. It could be a pressed powder as well. Next, I'm taking my LA Girl Cosmetics creamy concealer in Beautiful Bronze. I like to use this for contouring. You could use directly powders, or you could use any other type of cream formula that you have for contouring. And as you can see, I placed the contour lines on my nose, underneath my jawline, and in the hollows of my cheeks. And I'm using that same Real Techniques face brush, and I'm just buffing this out. I'm also pinching the brush a little bit so that it creates a nice angle, and I just buffed out the nose contour with that. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer again and just lightly put it on the bridge of my nose and buff this out with a small brush, just so that the highlight pops more. Then I like to take that same brush and set it with the Maybelline loose powder. I like to do this step just so that my makeup stays lasting through the day, because I usually tend to get a oily T-zone, and this is a great powder in setting your makeup. Next, I'm going to take my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, and I'm going to first clean out my eyebrows with the spoolie side. Oftentimes my face powder or foundation, it just gets a little bit into my brows, so cleaning them up first always helps. Then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I have some sparse areas in the beginnings a little bit, and then also some places in the center. So I like to just kind of fill them in and keep their natural shape. So I like to do this with very short strokes, and I also like to brush through with the spoolie side just to make sure that everything is nice and blended out together. And next I'm going in with a dark brown eyeshadow, could be any eyeshadow. This is Espresso from the Lorac Pro palette, and I'm using this small angled liner brush to just kind of fill in my lower lash line with that dark brown eyeshadow to kind of give my eyes a little dimension. And so without the use of an eyeliner, I'm kind of just giving my eyes a subtle filled in look. I'm also taking it and placing it like an eyeliner on the top lid right near the lash line, and I just kind of like to wing it out a little bit. This gives the most beautiful soft look, and it's the quickest and easiest ways to achieve that. And off camera, I'm going to curl my lashes and use the Maybelline Big Colossal Volum'express mascara. And next, I'm taking these two blush shades from Tarte called Skillful and Angelic. They're like rosy pink, very toned down, earthy pinks. And I'm going to use my Japanesque Kabuki blush brush and place those on the apples of my cheeks. And lastly, I'm going to take the Maybelline Molten Rose Gold highlighter and I'm going to place that on the tops of my cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose a little bit and on my cupid's bow. And I'm going to kind of buff that out a little bit with my finger. And I'm going to take a pointed eyeliner brush and I'm going to also put that same shade in the inner corner of my eyes to give them a nice highlight. And lastly, this is the NYX lip pencil in Mauve. I'm lining my lips with that. And I'm going to take these two Maybelline shades called Clay Crush and Lust for Blush. And I'm going to put those two together on my lips. And there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment below if there's any other looks that you'd like me to do. And as always, take care. See you guys later. Bye.